Hello there guys, welcome back to another short online tutorial based in Photoshop. My name is Jack. I'm one of the tutors at Blue Sky Graphics, and as always, it's my pleasure to welcome you here today. The reason why we are here today, guys, is to discuss double exposure, a very, very cool effect that you can apply in Photoshop. And what I'm going to do today is showcase you a very, very simple way of doing that. As you can see, we have an example in front of us here. And this type of design is used across many forms of graphic design. Okay, so what I'm going to do is go to our other tab here. I've got the image already prepared for us. Let's bring out our layers. If we go to Window Layers, here is our layer panel here. So I've got the image of our lovely lady here selected. So what I'm going to do to make my life easy, I need to make a selection around our lady. So I'm going to use the Object Selection tool, and I'm going to use the Select Subject button up here. And let's apply a layer mask through our layer mask icon on our layer window. I'm just going to smarten this up. So I'm going to use the brush tool, make sure my color black is the foreground color there, and just smarten it up a little bit there, like so. Brilliant. And what I'm going to do is let's add a solid color, excuse me, white layer like so, and put it underneath like so. Okay. Now, as you can see, I already have my city layer already prepared for us. So I'm just going to turn that on. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this whole layer above our city layer. And I'm going to do that by using the shortcut Option on a Mac or Alt on Windows. So if I do that now like so, and release, there is my layer on top. Now, with that duplicated layer on top, what I'm going to do now is apply the blending mode of Lighten, like so. And then using the same shortcut option on Mac, Alt on Windows, I'm just going to simply duplicate that layer mask onto our city layer like so. And there you have the basis of the double exposure. If you want to sort of bring back more of a face, perfect. We have our city layer here, and we can go onto our layer mask. Let's sort of pick a sort of soft brush. Let's increase the size of the brush up here. Let's say, probably a little bit more. Cool. And you can now start to bring back the lady to accentuate her face. And that is just a very sort of quick tutorial, guys, of how to apply double exposure within Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about our school or anything to do with our tutors, please don't hesitate in visiting our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. And also you can check out some of our amazing work by our students at our Instagram or at Blue Sky Graphics UK. Take care, guys, and I'll see you next time.